Our care plan is a crucial tool in healthcare, designed to provide a personalized and coordinated approach to managing a patient's medical condition. It is developed by healthcare professionals collaborating with the patient and their caregivers. Care plans outline the patient's specific needs, goals, and interventions to ensure consistent, appropriate, and patient-centered care. Care plans are necessary in promoting patient-centered care, as they encourage healthcare providers to consider the patient's unique needs, preferences, and goals in managing their condition. By following a care plan, healthcare professionals can deliver more consistent, appropriate, and effective level of care, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes and satisfaction. A care plan template benefits many healthcare practitioners, including doctors, nurses, and other health professionals. It is particularly useful when managing patients with chronic conditions, disabilities, or complex medical needs. To use our free care plan, follow these steps. Download our care plan from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, conduct a comprehensive assessment of the patient's condition, including medical history, symptoms, and relevant personal factors. Next, identify the patient's healthcare needs and goals, such as improving their quality of life, managing pain, or increasing independence. Next, list the intervention and treatments to address the identified needs and goals, like medication, therapies, or lifestyle changes. Next, create a schedule for regularly monitoring and evaluating the patient's progress, with adjustments to the care plan as needed. Lastly, ensure effective communication and collaboration among the healthcare team, the patient and family or caregivers. Here is a sample of our care plan, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our care plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.